Hello friends, in front of me Bhavya Agarwal ji is sitting. She secured All India rank 21 in November 2024 exams with highest marks in AFM. 92% marks she secured, and all credit goes to her hard work. She is doing articleship from GT Grant Thornton, and coming from Jaipur and staying in Delhi NCR is a very tough task, but she managed to do everything. She never complained, and here she is sitting and smiling and enjoying the achievement. All the hard work she has done till now. Now the fruits are coming, and definitely students like her will be a plus point for big MNCs, financial institutions, investment banking firms. And when I see her, I remember Yashika Jain. She was also one of the candidate in last attempt, and she got selected in JP Morgan in Mumbai, and with a very impressive package. Though she was not a rank holder, but I think Bhavya Agarwal has a bright chance with good marks with her side and all India rank. She can do wonders. So Bhavya, I will restrict my discussions in for SFM only, AFM only. How you managed to score 92% marks? It's a great marks in competitive exams. Securing 90 above marks is like miracle. So how you managed to do this? Please go ahead.
So it's all about the time you devote to the subject, and it's all about the practice. In CA, the practice is the most important part, because the syllabus is like a sagar, means like a ocean, and you have time only for one or two bucket water. So you just have to compress that into that bucket. So I have done 4 revisions of AFM, and I have just selecting questions for each revision. I was just removing questions, and I was just making my own question bank, like from your question bank, that these are those questions that I have to taken to my last revisions. And I have planned 4 revisions, and then I have completed that 4 revisions also. Apart from that, I have given 2 test series, and in that also I have scored 90 plus in AFM. So that also boost up my confidence in AFM. Apart from that, the basic thing in AFM is people are like solving question. They are not giving too much time on conceptual clarity, notes, formulas, and all. So basically I would say in that part we should also go to that part, because if we are not able to remember the formula, that we can't solve the question correctly. Because see, in our exams they have given us the reverse chronological questions. So in that case, if you don't remember the formula, that you can't do anything. So basically conceptual clarity, I would say Aditya Jain sir is the best.
Great. So if anyone follows my material, my class instructions and all the revisions which I am giving, so can he or she can manage to
Yeah,
score a good marks in AFM?
yeah, sir, I haven't followed ICI material. I'm frankly saying this. I haven't followed the material, because if you are referring a teacher's book now, there are a lot of questions and you don't get the time to manage for ICI. Huh, you can just check the questions ki these are the questions in the search met, and these are the questions in the ICI met. Are they reconciling, or are there any questions jo sir ki book mein nahi hai? That's the part. So that I have cross checked for.
100% covered, but I let
Yeah,
me
yeah,
tell you.
that, yeah, 100% coverage that was there in your book. So I just sidelined the ICI material, and I just kept your material for my next 3 revisions, and that was more than enough, because we don't have that much time now. So yes.
Great. So Bhavya Agrawal, I want to see you in a big MNC companies. You are really will be sought after candidate for all the big companies, and definitely I am seeing a bright future for you. And whenever you
Thank
are
you.
selected in a good company, just let us know. And also whenever you come Delhi, you just meet me. Your prize is due, so I will be excited to meet you and definitely to hand over the prize to you. It will be my pleasure. So thank you for coming and giving your valuable inputs. Definitely students will definitely like your video, and definitely they will follow your steps, and they will also score good marks like you with all India ranks.
Thank you so much, sir, once
Welcome.
again. because I think we are not the only ones for this. जो भी चीजें हो रही है, जितना हमने दिया है उतना आपने भी दिया है. That makes these AIRs.
Yeah. So it is a effort, combined effort of even parents. We should not forget our
Yeah.
parents, because they are the real sacrificer. They are the real motivation behind all of us. Even my parents and your parents. So they are next to God, or even more than God. So definitely hats off to your parents also. I praise them in this medium, and definitely you have made them proud. I can say that.
2 मिनट है आपके पास? पता है 2 मिनट में जिंदगी नहीं बदलती, पर 2 मिनट में लिया हुआ फैसला आपकी जिंदगी जरूर बदल सकता है। और जब सवाल 100% मार्क्स विद टारगेट करोड़ प्लस सैलरी इन फाइनेंस हो, तो 2 मिनट देना तो बिल्कुल बनता है। जिस तरह से बिना पेट्रोल के कार नहीं चल सकती, उसी तरह से बिना फाइनेंस के कंपनी का चलना नामुमकिन है। एक अच्छी फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट हो तो कंपनी फर्ज से अर्ज तक पहुंच जाती है, और अगर फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट बुरी निकली तो कंपनी अर्ज से फर्ज तक आ जाती है। तो हो जाइए तैयार आप भी उन लाखों स्टूडेंट में से जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड के वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट कोर्स सीए में 100% मार्क्स सिक्योर किया इन सीए फाइनल एसएफएम। जहां स्टूडेंट्स को सीए पास होने की फिक्र होती है, वहीं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स कई बार ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 लेकर आए। जहां स्टूडेंट्स को आर्टिकलशिप में 50,000 पर मंथ स्टाइपेंड विद सैटरडे संडे ऑफ मिलता है इन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग फर्म। जहां सीए क्लियर करने के बाद हमारे स्टूडेंट्स वर्ल्ड की वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनीज में रिक्रूट किए जाते हैं। हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को यह पता होता है हाउ टू ट्रेड इन स्टॉक मार्केट, हाउ टू अटेंड एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग, वोटिंग पावर का कैसे यूज किया जाए, डिविडेंड कैसे रिसीव होता है, और निफ्टी और सेंसेक्स किस तरह से फ्लैक्चुएट करता है, प्राइस क्यों अप एंड डाउन होते हैं। इन सारे नॉलेज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को होती है। तो ये सब जानने और समझने के लिए आप भी उन लाखों स्टूडेंट्स में हो जाइए शामिल। विथ मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिव पाथ ब्रेकिंग कवरेज ऑफ मोर देन 1000 कॉन्सेप्ट्स, विथ लाइव स्टॉक मार्केट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, विथ 0% डाउट एम। तो अगर आपको फाइनेंस से प्यार है और स्टॉक मार्केट आपका पैशन है, तो ये सुनहरा मौका हाथ से जाने मत दीजिए। मैं आदित्य जैन अपने 15 साल के टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आपको पढ़ाने आ रहा हूं विथ मोटो ऑफ लर्न मोर अर्न मोर। द मोर यू लर्न द मोर यू अर्न। तो याद रखिएगा, वक्त सबका आता है, कोई बिखर जाता है, कोई निखर जाता है। आज पसीना नहीं बहाया तो कल आंसू बहाने पड़ेंगे। मेक दी रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ बेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ। जितना कठिन संघर्ष होगा, जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी। तो आपके इस वैल्यूएबल समय के लिए थैंक यू सो मच। याद रखिएगा, सफलता एक दिन में नहीं मिलती, मगर ठान लो तो एक दिन जरूर मिलती है। तो adityajain.com में जाइए और वहां से अपने फाइनेंस करियर की शुरुआत कीजिए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू सो मच।